In this video, I've come to a high-end body shop, our friends at Whiteland Restorations, to see what you can do about a car where the paint's absolutely ruined, the lacquer's gone, and how much it's going to cost. As you can see, the paint has just absolutely gone, and in fact, it's coming off in sheets as we're driving down the road. That's amazing. Keep that frame. I should sell this online.
Oh, look. How much can we peel off?
Oh, fault line developing.
Oh,
look at that.
there we go.
You can keep that as a treasured possession.
Thank you.
Yeah. It is actually shedding as we're going down the road.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
So what has actually happened, and what do you do about it?
Well, the clear coat's come unstuck from the base coat. There's not a lot you can do about it. Unfortunately, you need to remove this and repaint the car.
Yippee! So how would you get the clear coat off?
A good pressure washer.
Okay, yeah.
Really get in there, get in all the angles, and it'll lift off as much as you can. The water will get in there, and it's not going to get it all off, but get as much as you can off on it. Yeah,
I mean, that technique, just nature, has helped get some of that off going down the road.
Unfortunately, some of it, like on the rear quarter here, this has started to go. As you can see, it's got a spotty.
Yeah.
The pressure washer's not going to do an awful lot. Here,
no.
Put that there for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So unfortunately, not a huge amount you can do, bar a full massive repaint on a car that's definitely not worth doing.
No, I'm guessing we're talking rather a lot of thousands of pounds for such a paint job.
Yes.
So I don't think that's going to be happening on a car that's not even worth £1,000.
No, definitely not. Unless you're very keen yourself and you wanted to keep this living, or you had masses of sentimental value. Not worth it.
Nope.
Unfortunately.
So a few people have said that I should tackle it myself and try and re-clear coat it and try and get the worst of it off. But in truth, I think you're going to have very patchy results however you go about it.
Yeah, I mean, it's on a whole not too bad actually, really, is it? The bad bits are bad. Like the boot lid is quite bad, but the side of it looks relatively...
Yeah, that side looks all right from that angle.
Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Half the roof is okay.
Half the roof?
Half the roof is okay.
And there are other issues as well. While we've been inspecting it, we've discovered that this wing has been painted at some point and has a slightly orangey peel.
And I think the bonnet has been painted.
Yeah, the bonnet's a different shade again. And it has some damage, unfortunately, as well. So, and trying to make this car look nice would be hard work. Even the washer jets have been repainted. They're now body colour. So this one may fall under it is what it is. By the way, if you want an extremely rotten Morris Minor Traveller, there is one just there. It is considerably crispy. Should we have a quick look around it? So this one, a project too far even for Whiteland Restorations, because at some point you need some good metal to weld to.
At some point you certainly do need some good metal to weld to, and there's some.
Yeah,
somewhere.
Maybe.
Not.
Even the wheels are on. Now, this was it a barn or a field find?
It was half a barn find, half a field find.
Okay.
It is in our playlist of things if you go back far.
It's a good few years now. Yeah.
With us rescuing it from a barn, and we had all good intentions to bring it back to life, but it comes down to the magical how much things cost, and unfortunately it would have just cost too much to... It needs complete floor pans, it needs a new chassis, it needs a new everything. Maybe the glass would be savable.
Even the interior, which has an interesting mismatch of colours going on.
Yes.
But it's all there. But I can see daylight through the floor over there. And then that's before you even start the woodwork. And obviously we know with our mutual friend Tim at Cambrian Classics, woodwork is a big job. It actually doesn't look too bad, does it? Remarkably.
Yes. And that bit's solid. That's the only MOTable bit, isn't it? Yeah, that's not too bad. But
in here it's all quite frilly.
Somebody's been trying to keep it alive. There are signs of patches, aren't there?
Yeah.
The floor's got, I think, cut out oil barrels and sort of half riveted down.
Yeah.
If
you fancy a brave project, do get in touch with Whiteland Restorations. Look at that. And there's something else we need to mention while we're at Whiteland Restorations as well. You're going to like this. And the news is you could win all this stuff. There's 3 different prizes here at Whiteland Restorations, currently available in a raffle. Great way to start the year with some new equipment. Let's take a look. I think the most interesting one is probably this tool chest, which isn't just a tool chest.
It's fully loaded with everything you could possibly want to fix a car with.
Yeah, wow. It's got all sorts of stuff in it. As well as being a useful place, look, there's a little storage compartment for your nuts and bolts, even your drinks,
Yeah.
Somewhere to work.
Yeah.
It is packed full of tools. How much value is that, do you think?
I think they're like 400 quid, I think.
Blimey.
Yeah.
And you could win it from just £2.
Yeah, just £2 a ticket.
£2 a ticket. And I must admit, I have had I shouldn't be promoting this. I'm doing myself no favours because I'm encouraging people to bid against me effectively. But yeah, £2 a ticket. You could win this incredible tool chest or the Milwaukee bundle. So we've got a big impact gun, some nice sockets as well, and a little electronic ratchet.
Yeah, they're very, very, very good. Very good.
Okay.
Yeah, especially this one, the ratchet we use. If we're spanning in a car, we use it like every time. It's so fun.
Oh, it makes such a difference.
Always bolts off and on. Really good.
Yeah, and the third option is these wheel skates. It won't be these exact ones. These have been used by Whiteland themselves. But you will get a brand new set of SGS wheel skates.
They are brilliant. If you've got nice flat concrete floor, just put them under the car, jack it up, scoot it wherever you need to go. It is fantastic.
Brilliant.
They are fantastic.
So all this available. Check the link in the description below, and we'll give you a link to all 3 of the raffles that are currently running. It ends on New Year's Eve.
I think so, yes. A couple of days left.
Yeah, so not long to act. So get in there quick. Another problem we have with this car is this mirror is not working. So it has stopped flashing, which, as I discovered on the motorway the other day, is really annoying because you can't warn people you want to come out because they're not paying attention. So we've got to get the red bit off to get inside and see what's going on. Hopefully just a wiring disconnect. I did actually use the power fold mirrors.
Oh, yeah?
Maybe that was a mistake.
Do they work?
They work,
Oh, nice.
but then the indicator didn't work anymore.
Oh.
So
Do you think it's a wiring issue or
I'm hoping it's wiring, and I haven't got to replace the LED bit. But yeah, you need an assortment of pry bars.
Look at all these things.
To try and pry the red bit off. So it's just held with, well, it's not really little clips. It's just the plastic itself has little clippy bits on it. So a job definitely probably best not done in the winter, which is unfortunate for us.
Oh, God.
No, bit of movement.
It's coming on already.
Maybe it's been off before.
Probably.
Yeah. Find out this is a cheap eBay job.
We could check the power coming to here,
That might be an idea.
and then we'd know if it's the thing or not.
Yeah, we got the cover off. Eventually pinged off from its various attachment points. You can see all these little plastic clippy bits. Oh, one broken at some point in its life.
Yeah, probably today. Yeah.
No guarantee of that, but yeah, a bit of a fiddly thing to get out. And then we got the hazards on, we got no flashing, and all the wires, disappointingly, seem to be connected still.
So we're going to unplug it and test to see if we've got any electricity here.
Mm-hmm.
And if there is, then you need a new one of those.
Hurrah!
At least the mirror case is off.
Yes. And that's what it should look like. Alright, so the question is, have we got power to the mirror?
That is the question.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pinging up, isn't it? You're seeing 11.3 volts.
Yeah, I'm not
at times.
very...
Well, it's quite difficult to cram both the probes in those tiny little holes, especially when we're dying of frostbite. It is quite cool today, but we've definitely seen it doing some. Yeah, you can see.
Let's try to do something, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, so we are seeing it pinging up and down. So wiring good. Bloody lamp not good.
Not so lampy.
No, let's see how much those are on bloody eBay, I suppose. So there we go. Some very, very tempting items available for raffle here at Whiteland Restorations. Thanks to Lewis for having a quick look at the Toyota. He's got all the trim clips to get those cases off. That is a tricky little job, and definitely better suited to someone with the patience of Lewis. I'm going to have to order up a new replacement LED unit. Bit annoying. And I'm just going to park it up and not drive it around until we get that sorted. But there you go. Are we going to sort the paint out on the Avensis? No, not a bit of it. I think even to make it slightly better would be a lot of work, especially the state of the look at it down this side, this rear door, the rear flank. I think trying to get this clear coat off to even start trying to make it look nice, nah, ain't gonna happen. So I'm just going to continue to enjoy driving it. We've done about 1,300 miles, I think now. It's been really good. It's doing 50 to the gallon. It's kind of everything we want. It's got the aircon, it's got the cruise control. I do still find the seat a little uncomfortable, starting to think maybe I'm the problem, not the cars. But it's been great. We've used it for so many trips already, and hopefully many more. So huge thanks for watching. Don't forget, obviously, you got all the raffle links in the description below. And if you're interested in this very sad Morris Minor, then you know where to go. Whiteland Restorations. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in a future video. Farewell. Car in front is a Toyota, and the paint is falling off it.